Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 10 Tab Max, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card on this tablet. So to get started, you'll want to open up Settings. From here, scroll. Actually, we don't need to scroll anywhere. Oh, no, I'm already at the bottom. Okay, so you want to select Storage, which is roughly at the bottom of the page. From here, select your SD card. Tap on the three dots right here and select Storage Settings. And in here you'll find the Format option. Once you click on it, it will give you a message, there we go, that formatting will remove all the data from the SD card. So if you have anything on that card that you would like to keep, photos, music, documents, do make a backup copy of it somewhere else so you don't lose the data that you want to keep. Now, assuming you have already made that backup or you just simply don't want to, and all you need to do here is select Erase and Format, and it looks like that's it. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.